Hey there raiders, here's how to get repair kits in Sand. Repair kits are used to repair damaged trampler compartments after they've taken heavy damage in combat. Each damaged compartment consumes 1 charge from a repair kit, so they're a valuable resource if you frequently battle ironclads or other players. Currently, the most reliable way to obtain repair kits is by defeating ironclads. You can spawn these hostile robotic tramplers by visiting major named locations, such as towns or forts. As you approach, make sure the area's detection beacon spots your trampler. Once the detection meter fills, an ironclad will be deployed nearby. Defeat the ironclad as quickly as possible to minimize the damage it deals to your trampler. Once it's destroyed, approach the wreckage and search around it for the repair kit and cargo crate it drops. Repair kits can be found alongside these boxes, although they're not guaranteed to appear every time, so you may need to defeat several ironclads before you find one. Since each repair kit occupies a full storage slot on your trampler, it's a good idea to bring extra cargo space if you're planning to farm them alongside other valuable loot. And that's all of it. If this video helped, please leave a like or comment and subscribe to the channel for more straightforward guides. Thanks for stopping by, and see you in the next side quest.